Please go subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click that subscribe button down below and turn on the notification bell to get notified every time I post a video here on YouTube. And go follow my beauty Instagram at _Hailey'sBeauty_. Thanks guys, and let's get started with the video.
Hey guys, so today I am doing a purple, neutral purple smoky eye makeup tutorial. This could be for your wedding or prom because I feel like it's perfect for both, or if for brown eyes, it's perfect for people with brown eyes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let's get started with the tutorial. So first I'm taking ColourPop eyeshadows. I'm taking the first brown color, which is Bel Air, and just putting that in my crease. I'm trying to do like my ColourPop eyeshadows because it is cheaper, cheaper alternative than all my other eyeshadows. Just in case you guys can't, don't buy high-end or can afford high-end, I do like to. I'm really trying to include more affordable looks on my channel for you guys. So I do like doing that for you guys. I need to put a lot more. So I'm just doing Bel Air as my transition color. I'm actually scared for this tutorial because I haven't really played around with purple a whole lot, but I'm ready for the challenge. And like honestly, purple is like really good for like brown eyes, not necessarily blue eyes, because I mean, it still looks pretty on blue eyes, but just doesn't make our eyes pop as much as like a gold or a bronze would. So, yeah. This was more geared towards like brown eyes, because brown eyes, you guys, I always love when brown eyes wear like purple eyeshadow, and I got something in my eye. As we're gonna get into more purple. So now we are taking, what is this? Made to Last, and also putting that in my crease because you just don't want to go in right straight out with purple. You obviously need transition shades to go into a colorful look, because let me tell you, that could turn into a hot mess real quick if you go straight into the purples. So yeah, you gotta work yourself into it. And sorry I have a messy bun, but my hair like looks disgusting today. And yeah, I need to wash it, but I need to get this video done in the morning because I won't have time afternoon. I want to go into, let's see. Get this palette out too. Now I'm gonna take this like pinkish color. I know it's not purple, but like I said, I'm trying to build transition colors for the purple because I don't want to go straight into purple. Because like the pink can still give like a nice light purple tint mixed with the browns, to be honest. So yes, okay. And I do apologize in advance. I will be using some limited edition makeup in this. Like, I'll be using my limited edition MAC palette, but I'm pretty sure all of these are probably somewhat permanent colors, or they're very dupable. And I don't know the names of these because it doesn't really have the names, but I'm pretty sure like most of these are permanent in here. So they do all look very familiar. Alright, cool. Now, I'm going to take this grayish color just to like balance it out and give it like more of a purple tint, like a light purple tint. Blending that all in together. Now we're starting to get into the purple tints. So, yes. Now I'm going to be taking ColourPop's what is this? ColourPop Silver Lining and putting that on my crease also. But I'm gonna go in this very lightly because I don't want the crease to be completely like full on, like, oh look at me, purple. I still want it to have a somewhat natural brown tint to it. So that is what we're gonna try to create here. And I'm just switching it windshield wiper motions and building the color up. No, they say like purple is better for blue eyes. I do think this is actually complementing my eyes like really nicely. So now we're gonna take whatchamacallit, Q Alert from ColourPop, and also just again putting that in the crease, deepening it up. So yeah. We are about to prepare for really dark purples now. I'm going to take a little bit of called Cloud 9 and putting that right here just to because all this is a little bit lighter than the dark purple that I'm using, so this is like the transition for it because obviously we don't need to look like we have black eyes. So no need and no time for black eyes. It still look like it's our eyes. Taking this dark purple and the palette right here, and it kind of looks like Nocturnal from M.A.C, but don't quote me on that, because I don't know, but it looks very familiar, and I'm sure, like, if you guys show this video to a M.A.C makeup artist, or if you want to recreate this look and go to M.A.C, I'm pretty sure they could find something that will be close to this color, or exactly like this color. And I am just lightly just putting that on the outer part to give it that more dark look. Now doing it to the other side. This brush is like really good for what I'm trying to do because it doesn't go too high up into your crease and it places the eyeshadow where exactly I want it. So that's what's good. Alright, my camera stopped recording, but I just continued to put that on my like outer lid area. So yeah. And then I'm finishing this look off with just a lid color, and I will be back to do my the rest of my eyeshadow. But so I'm gonna just take these two colors right here and kind of mix them together. I should have brought my M.A.C Fix Plus out, but it's okay. This would actually be really pretty for like wedding makeup actually. So I might title this wedding makeup again. I might do another, or like even for prom this would be pretty depending on your dress. I'm gonna be back to do my, I'm gonna go do my eyeliner, my mascara, and possibly foundation and all that. I might come back to do foundation, but I don't know, maybe, I don't know. But I'll see you guys in a little bit. So now I'm gonna bronze my face with Hoola bronzer. I'm just bronzing the face up before I put the contour on my face. On camera, this look does not look purple at all, but if you were in person, you'd see how light purple the lids are, how light purple and sparkly they are. But this turned out a lot better than I thought. I was actually kind of really nervous trying this out, just because I don't really do colorful looks and I don't really wear purple ever. I never wear purple eyeshadow, so I'm glad I took the risk and tried it out. So now I'm obviously going to contour. I'm just going to use this light shade right here and contour my face. Contouring complete. Let me just rub this in a little bit to make it more natural looking, because obviously we don't want to be carved out, too carved out. You still want it to look a little natural. Then I'm taking my Party blush from Tarte. It's literally called Party. I don't know if this is a permanent one, but I wanted not a pink blush, but I didn't want a peach blush, and this is the exact color I was looking for. So sorry that if this is limited edition. I don't think it is, but if it is, I'm really sorry. Then I will be highlighting my face with the Fenty Lightning Dust and Crystal Fire. I'm just gonna kind of just dip my brush in both of them because I do like both of them, and why not use both of them? So yeah, I'm just highlighting my upper cheekbones. We need more highlighter than that because we like to blind people with our highlighting skills. Am I right, ladies? Am I right? Alright, that's better. take my lipsticks. I think I'm going to use actually Whirl because I think the Please Me will be too pink. But yes, I'm taking Whirl lipstick and putting that on my lid. I mean, not my lid, my lips, sorry. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And go follow my beauty Instagram and click on that notification bell down below and get notified every time I post a video here on YouTube. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys